Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to redeem Avatar World promo codes. Alright, first up here is just go ahead and open up the game. Now once you're in the game, make sure that you are on the lobby right here. This is the lobby. Now once you're here, you're going to want to click or tap on the basket icon right here, or the trolley icon. Alright, just go ahead and tap on it. Now in here, just go ahead and swipe to right until you meet the promo codes section. All right, it is on the last page, unfortunately. All right, as you can see here is the promo code section. Just tap on it. Now you're going to want to enter your promo code right here. In the description box below, I have a link of the video that I just created that contains a ton of promo codes. Just go ahead and tap on that, or I will include it in the end of the video. All right, just go ahead and tap on enter code. Now type in your promo code right here. Just for example, I have a working code just like what's on the video in the description. I'm going to type in more jelly. All right, and just tap on redeem. Wait for the process to finish, and as you can see here, the game is loading, and there you have your promo code. That's basically it. I hope this video helps some. Please don't forget to share this video to your friends, and if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Well, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.